In this tutorial, I want to share with you how to create text shortcuts so that you don't have to consistently or continuously be spelling a given text while you are writing in Microsoft Excel or in Microsoft Word or in Microsoft PowerPoint. So for example, in Microsoft Excel, if you want to type anything on any cell, it's very easy. Maybe I want to type acknowledgement, maybe acknowledgement letter. I want to type this. And the spelling sometimes can be misleading, and maybe you may not want to at any given point to repeat this very acknowledgement, bring out the words completely. If it is in Excel, it's very easy. When you are in the same column, it's easy to have the computer easily detect that you are referring to acknowledgement. For example, if I type A, it's going to quickly detect that I want to type in acknowledgement later. That's if I am on the same column. So if I'm on different column, for example, I hit enter and I have it. If I'm on different column and I type A, nothing is going to happen. So I have to type it in full, acknowledgement letter. So I have to type it in full. But then there is a way in which you can avoid the repetition of you to type a given word continuously. So let's try to delete it and let's try to see what are these steps. You can actually do this using the autocorrect option. Okay, so to do that, all you need to do is to come to file over here in Excel, and then you can come to account option. All right, so you can come to proofing and you can come to autocorrect. So change how Excel corrects and format text as you type. So you click on autocorrect. You can come over here and you can see replace this with, so you put in the words or the shortcuts that you want to put to replace acknowledgement. So for example, I want to put ACKN to represent acknowledgement. So I put to replace with what? Anytime I typed ACKN, it should replace with acknowledgement. So I'll put it acknowledgement letter. Anytime I type ACKN, replace with acknowledgement letter in this format as it is. All right. So you can click on add, and this is going to be added among the autocorrect feature. So you can click on OK, and now it is taken, so you can say OK again. Okay, so anywhere within your document, if you type ACKN and hit enter, it's going to make it acknowledgement later. It's just going to replace it with acknowledgement later. So at anywhere, whether it's in the same column or in a different column or a different cell entirely, ACKN and hit enter, it's going to be acknowledgement later. So this is on Microsoft Excel, so you don't have to continuously be typing acknowledgement later. So let's try to take a look at this feature in Microsoft Word. This is going to work because Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel as well as Microsoft PowerPoint are all interlinked together. Okay, in Microsoft Word, if you try to type anything ACKN and hit enter or press any space, it's going to replace with acknowledgement later. So let's try it and see. ACKN, and you can see it has just replaced it with acknowledgement later. So very easily, you can easily do that on even Microsoft PowerPoint because all these are interlinked. So you don't have to go to the file, go to the option and go to the autocorrect to correct it again or to input it one more time. So let's try to do it on PowerPoint and let's see. All right, so let's try to put ACKN. And you can see it also the same, it gives us acknowledgement later. So this is a very quick way to bring in a text shortcut that you can easily use on any platform, either in Microsoft Word or in Microsoft Excel or in Microsoft PowerPoint, because they are easily linked. They are all linked together in Microsoft Office. Okay, so feel free to try it. Feel free to create as many text shortcuts as you can to enjoy your experience with Microsoft Office. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.